Well, a team of middle school students has just a couple of months left to get ready for a pretty big competition.
And this is so cool. They're going to be competing with underwater robots. And Sunrise reporter Chelsea Torres is live this morning at Baker Middle School. That's where the kids there go to school. And Chelsea, when are these kids competing? And tell us a little bit more about this competition.
Guys, well, the Baker Middle School underwater robotics team will be competing at a regional competition in May. And the whole point of this competition is to challenge their robot to take on tasks that'll have to do with problems that impact the world. It'll be all under 15 minutes and, of course, all underwater. 8 Baker Middle School students get together every week to work on their robot.
We basically create ROVs, remotely operated vehicles that go underwater, and they complete a bunch of tasks.
Co-CEOs AURORA, CANO, and AVERY MEDINA are leading their underwater robotics team to one of the biggest regional competitions in Texas.
So you just complete a bunch of tasks, and the more tasks you complete, the more points you get.
Their underwater robot, Pontus, will have to complete tasks that have to do with pollution, the health of coral reefs, finding pH levels in the water, and much more. The team is still creating Pontus, which will have to meet certain guidelines.
There is a total amperage in volts we have to stay under, and we also have to make sure that everything is waterproof, that there's safety precautions, that there's nothing on here that can harm wildlife.
The team still has a few months to go before testing Pontus, but they hope their robot will have a big impact.
Feeling of accomplishment and teamwork, knowing that we were able to do it together and it wasn't just one of us building it, but also that we made a creation that can someday help the world somehow.
So get this Baker underwater robotics team so far is the only middle school in CCISD that will be competing at this regional competition. They will compete on May 2nd in San Jacinto College, which is near Houston. Sonia?
Good to know. Thanks a lot, Chelsea.